Hello everybody, this is our pear block. The variety which we have grafted in this block is Williams, locally known as Babu Gosha. This block is in a good shape. As you can see, the growth right now is almost 1.5 feet. Just in this sunny portion you can see it. This is our pear block. Just look at these plants, almost 2 feet. So our pear block. Thank you, dear friends. In this short patch we have 4 varieties. Few of them are meant for high chilling areas, and few will perform in both areas. This variety, which is in front and which has incomparably low growth, is an Italian variety called Carmen. This patch is of Carmen. This is in Carmen variety. This is very famous variety in our areas, very productive. As you can see from here, we have different color in leaves. You can check, the wood is red, here the wood is green. That means from this patch we have different variety, and this variety is known as Conference. This variety is a little bit in good shape as comparison to Carmen. And from here onwards we have totally red colored leaves. This is also a pear variety called red bartlett, and the pear which we get from this type of variety is red in color from outside, not from inside. This is red in color from outside. Now you can see this patch is fully red bartlett up to this line. These are red bartlett, and from here onward this is a very well known variety called Peckham. This is a very good variety. You can see the feathers are coming out of it. 1 feather, 2 feather. This is turning out to be, this will turn out to be third one. So with time this will turn into a block with healthy plants. So this is one of the pear patch of our nursery. Thanks for watching.